All right. Hello everyone, and welcome to the second tech video I'm making tonight. Even though I'm really busy with packing to, travel home for the winter, for it's college winter break, and so I thought I might make a quick video on how to install things in Linux when the standard installers don't work. So this is going to be specifically for like Debian based versions of Linux. They use .deb packages, so .deb. And so I opened the package I wanted to install, which was for a fancy new PC version of Antutu Benchmark. I mean, okay, I'm not gonna get into a controversy on it where Antutu was allegedly teaming up with Kira Mobile and crap. I don't know what side to be on that story, but I think their software is relatively safe. I mean, the Windows version I scanned with one of the best antiviruses in the world. It's totally okay. So the Linux version should be equally okay. In any case, so I digress. I try to download this and try to install it the normal way, but as you can see, cannot install from unsigned repo, and it just does that every time. So we're gonna navigate to where I downloaded this crap, which okay, documents. Okay, so we're gonna have to copy the file name, and we're gonna be opening a terminal. So let me just okay, that I haven't used Linux in seriously in like a month or something, so I forgot terminal pasting and stuff. I know it's a secondary OS, so sometimes I forget things. So if I recall correctly, it's sudo dpkg okay -I, and then I'm gonna go ahead and paste the name of the installation packet, as you can see there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and type in my password, and as you can see, it's installing, and we should have Antutu Benchmark. Crap, I can't really type well while recording, and there we go. It's installed, and yeah, now. So yeah, that's how to install a deb file without the normal graphical installer. Like in this case, it's Discover because I slapped KDE on top of Ubuntu. I know. Please don't troll me for not getting the Kubuntu distribution of Ubuntu that comes with KDE natively, but I have my reasons for that. I like to manually adjust everything to my liking, so I just did it this way. So, yeah, I mean, so just as a recap, I mean, just type in sudo dpkg-I and then the name of your the full name with extension of your file, and bam! Once you put in your administrator password, it's gonna work no problem.